So now let's go to the AWS DeepLens console. In the search bar, type in DeepLens and click on the DeepLens logo when it pops up under Services. You can buy AWS DeepLens on Amazon.com. When you get your AWS DeepLens device, make sure you register it in the console. As you can see, I'm going to my Devices tab, and there is already an AWS DeepLens registered. Next, I'll walk you through creating a project and deploying the model you previously trained to AWS DeepLens. Let's create a new project with AWS DeepLens. On the left-hand side, I'm going to Projects and Create New Project on the right-hand side. Now, I can use a lot of pre-made project templates. In this case, I'll be creating a completely blank project. I'll name it Trash Sorter. Now, we need to add our model, and we've already imported our model from SageMaker. So I'll just choose that and click Add Model. Next, we need to code up a Lambda function. And a Lambda function hosts the code that will be running inference on AWS DeepLens. Let's click here to create a function in Lambda. For this tutorial, we've created a Lambda function for you that you can simply upload. If I go into my Lambda and search for the function that I created earlier, you can see that the Lambda function contains code that spins up the model and passes frames from the camera to do inference. So now that you've uploaded the Lambda code, you can select the Lambda function that you want to add to your project and click Add Function. Finally, we'll create a project. Now that we have our project, we can deploy it to DeepLens. Click on the project and click Deploy to Device. Select the device you want, hit Review, and finally, click Deploy. Now that your project has deployed to DeepLens, let's take a look at the inference results live. From the DeepLens project page, you can click View Video Stream, which I'll do now, and it opens up a new tab. On this new tab, you see a live video preview with the inference results. As you can see, it's predicting that this cereal box is designated for the landfill. If I switch out the object to this glass jar, you can see now it's predicting that this glass jar is recyclable. Let's try it again with an aluminum can. Again, it's able to pick up that this aluminum can is recyclable. So as you can see here, it's also giving out a confidence level. And as we can observe, anything with a confidence level around 65% or above gives us high confidence that the thing is predicting is actually the correct classification. Once you're done with your project, make sure you go back into AWS DeepLens, Amazon SageMaker, and Amazon S3 and delete the services that you use so you don't get charged. In AWS DeepLens, you can delete projects by clicking Projects, hitting Actions, and click Delete. Now let's go to Amazon SageMaker and delete the resources we don't use. We search for SageMaker and click on the SageMaker icon under Services. On the left-hand side, we expand Notebook and go to Notebook Instances. Check the notebook instance that you created earlier, hit Actions, and stop. This will take a few minutes to stop. After you've stopped it, select it again and hit Delete. We also want to make sure that our inference endpoints are deleted. So under Inference, go to Endpoints, select the endpoints, and hit Action, Delete. This will make sure that you're not charged for anything you don't use. Lastly, let's clean up on our Amazon S3 buckets. Once we're in S3, you can just select the entire bucket of things you don't need and hit Delete.